Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the new unit of your organic chemistry, and this is the unit number 11. Unit number 11. Name of the unit is alcohols, phenols, and ethers. It means we have to study about the following organic compounds in this particular unit. Now, before going to discuss the points included in syllabus, the points which are given in the alcohols, just see which points are given to us in the alcohols. Nomenclature is the first point. Second, methods of preparation. Third point, physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Identification, the properties for primary alcohols only. Another thing which we have, identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Mechanism of dehydration. Mechanism of dehydration. These following points are given in the alcohols. In this. So, what we have to study in that particular chapter, we are starting from the general introduction part. So, just see what is included in this general part. What we are included. General introduction. What are alcohols? General introduction. You know that this RH is the alkane. When this hydrogen of the alkane is substituted by the another OH group, and we get this ROH in that particular thing. So hydrogen get replaced by the OH group. Same thing. How in the aromatic sense, when you have the benzene ring, this is the benzene ring. In this benzene ring, if one hydrogen get replaced by the OH group, so that is known as alcohol, and that is known as a phenol. So hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon, which one or more hydrogen atoms of the different carbon atoms replaced by the equal number of hydroxy groups. hydrogen replaced by the hydrogen replaced by the hydroxy groups in equal numbers. Hydrogen replaced by the hydroxy group in the equal numbers. Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives, and phenols are also the hydroxy derivatives of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Hydroxy derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon, hydroxy derivative of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon, they are alcohols. And hydroxy derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons. They are the hydroxy derivatives of the aromatic hydrocarbons which we are having there in this particular sense. So this is about the alcohol and the phenols, that in general which compounds are considered as the alcohols and which compound are considered as the phenols. Now in this particular series of the compound, one more compound we are given in this chapter, and that they are the ethers. So just see that what are the ethers are there. We know that if in a alkane we have a simple alkane, this is the alkane, and when this hydrogen atom of this alkane is replaced by the alkoxy group, or the replaced by the alkoxy group, the compound which we get are considered as the ethers. When we replaced by the alkoxy group, or alloxy group, the compound which we get is considered as the ethers. Compound which we get are considered as the ethers. So this is the general thing about the compounds, that how they are considered as the alcohols, as the phenols, and as the ethers in a general way. Now when we classify these compounds, they are classified into their different categories. So classification, when we classify these compounds, they are classified into the different categories. Like just see how they are classified in a general way. Classification of polyhyd compounds, classification of alcohols, classification of alcohols on the basis of the OH group, CH3OH. In this, what we have, one OH group is present in this. In another compound which we have CH2, CH2OH. Two OH groups are present here in this compound, that is two OH groups are present there. In another compound, the third condition which we have is CH2OH, CH2OH. That is another compound in three OH groups are present. In another compound which we have, three OH groups are present. Three OH groups are present. So that is the monohydrate alcohol, that is dihydrate alcohol, and they are the trihydrate compounds, monohydrate, dihydrate and trihydrate compounds. So in general we see that if the one OH group is present, that is monohydrate. If two OH groups are present, that is considered as a dihydrate. If three OH groups are present, it is considered as the trihydrate compounds. Now another thing which we have, the compounds containing the hybridized carbon on which the OH group is attached. So another point is related to this. We will continue with this in our another video. Thank you.